Hi, are you into decors for your Christmas tree, for your car, for your handbag? I've made three, two in yellow and brown. That's one of them. Very, very beautiful with a hanging chain. Another one. They're all circles. It all depends on where you join them from. Look at that. I've got another one in brown and white. Also very, very beautiful. Very simple. Come and join me. Let's make this. Christmas is coming. Hello, take the yarn of your choice. Now wrap it round your finger 10 times. Take it out. Put your hook through and grab a hook. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. That chain is going to count as a double crochet. Now you're going to double crochet another 15. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5. We still got 11 to go. Let's meet there. So I've got my 16 double crochet. Let's confirm. Get your hook down. Let's count together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this is the chain one, which makes it 16. So I've got my 16 double crochet on my little circle. So next we need to close this gap and do our next row. So to close the gap, we come up here, the top of your chain, like so, and we are going to slip stitch like that. So you got your whole circle like that. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So we have something like that. So now we are going to double all these double crochet, and we are going to have 32 double crochet in the end. So let's start with a chain. So you come back down here, do a double crochet there, and now we are going to double on every double crochet, or in every gap, so to speak. We're going to do 2 double crochet, thus doubling our stitches. So in the end, we are going to end up with 32 double crochets. So we double every single double crochet, we make it 2. And we are going to do this all the way round. Every single double crochet, we are going to make it 2. So let us meet there when we close the gap and start our 3rd row. Now we are here. This is what we have. We've doubled all the stitches and we have 32 double crochet in our circle. I'm not going to count them. You can count yours to confirm, but mine are 32. So we need to close this gap. We need to close this gap so that we can start our next row. So as we said, top of the chain, there. You see, yeah, top of the chain. Come out and slip through. So you can see our circle is complete like that. Now we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. So we have something like that. In this row, we are going to add 1 after every double crochet. So let's start here. We make the chain 2, make another double crochet there, And when we get into this gap, do a double crochet like that. Next gap, you can see is two double crochet, so you do two double crochet. So in essence, you add 8. First we added 16, now we are going to add 8 double crochet. So let's see. So you see two double crochet together and one single crochet on its own, two double crochet, and in this gap one double crochet like that. And you get to this, you do two double crochet on the same spot. That's two double crochet. So into the gap is one single crochet on its own like that. So here you can see it's two double crochet, double crochet there, and you're going to continue like that until you come all the way. Let's meet there. So this is our circle, very nice little circle. So all we need to do is we need to cross this gap here. So go to the top of your chain, grab that bit like that, bring it all the way because we need to close the gap. So you see the gap is well closed. All we need to do now is cut the yarn as you do and make it nice and fast. And now we got our circle. Our circle is so easy to make. First of all, wrap 10 loop around your finger, put some 16 double crochet, double the 16 double crochet to become 32, and add another 16 to make it 44, and we got this little circle, and this is the circle we are going to work with. Now we're going to make 3 pieces of decor using circles. I've got how many circles here? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 of each color. I've got 5 yellow ones and 5 brown ones. And I'll need 2 already threaded darning needles because we are going to do both sides. So let's begin. I'll pick a yellow. When you pick the yellow, roll it twice like that, like so, and get through there and leave some yarn over there. Now I'm going to take a brown, make it twice, and make sure they face the same direction, and make sure they are properly in halves, facing the same direction. And I'm going to alternate all the colors like that. Now I'm going to take a yellow one, fold it in half nicely like so. Make sure they're facing the same direction, and pass your needle through there. I'm going to join them up there like that. So make it a bit tighter like this so that you can see. And now I'm going to take a brown one, fold it into 2 nicely like that, and make sure they're facing all in the same direction. So I'm having something like that. So let's meet when we have joined all the colors, like the way I've shown you, like that. So as you can see, I've joined one side. I've joined one side. Now I need to join the bottom. So let me cut this yarn here like that, and loosely secure them together like that. So they're there. So I need to do the bottom side as well. So I've joined one side. Now I need to join this side as well. You need to join both sides to get a beautiful effect. And make sure your circles are facing the same direction so that you can get a beautiful decor. So remember, we've joined the other side and now we're joining this side, and we are alternating the colors. We are alternating brown and yellow. Make your circles are divided into, folded properly. So one more hiding here, and we join it to that. We have any more to join? No, we've come to the end, as you can see. Now let's see the magic happen. Now pull them together like that. Together. Sorry, my screen is not big enough, but you get to make. Now let me cut this yarn so that it's easier to work with. Okay, put it away. Now let's make it as if we are making you got to make it so tight, very tight, and do a knot on that is one side, and we are going to do the same on the other side. Turn it around like that. You got your both ends. So this is the other side, which you call the top. So we are going to make it tight like we did the other side. Make it all nice and tight, and we see what we have. Meanwhile, let's hide our yarn inside. Hide. Let's not see you out. It can hide inside there for the time being. Yeah, hide it there, and let's see. This one, hide inside, and that is what we managed to have. So beautiful, very nice. If you want to squash it, you can do that and have something. You can have it like that if you want. You can have it big like that, whatever you want. That is one. I'll show you the other one. This is another different kind of decor. You use the circles as well, alternate them as you did the first one. Pick a circle, fold it twice like that, estimate the middle, go in, take a yellow one, estimate the middle, which is around somewhere there, take a brown one, fold it together like that, estimate where the middle would be, which is around there, yellow, fold twice like that, estimate the middle, brown twice like that, fold twice, estimate the middle, we should be somewhere here, yeah, until you've threaded all the ones I have down here. Let's meet when I've threaded everything. So I ended up with something like this. So I'm going to tie like that, and I'm going to tighten, tighten some more, and I am going to make a knot like so. So after the knot, I ended up having, let's do it properly. I'll end up with something as gorgeous as, yeah, we need to get everything out, make it all pop up. Make it all pop up like that. That's one side, like that, and it looks like this on the sides. We still got our yarn there, but we can hide it. And the other side, you can also make it all pop. Let me hide this yarn in there so that we can, so disappeared in there. So let's see what we have. Yeah, make sure it's all gone, all in, all in. Nothing trying to pop up. So let's see. This is another simple decor you can make with your circles. I got brown ones and white ones. So thread, alternating a white and a brown. Thread, no particular order, just a brown and a white, and a brown and a white one. Thread. What was that? Brown. Now I need a white. Let's see. Yeah, I need a white one. A brown one. A white one. So let's meet when I have thread. Now I have them all together in like a necklace. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just tie them together tightly, very tight, very tight, like that, and make a bow like that. So I have them together like that, and now I can come and spread them out like that, like a flower. So easy, but it's a beautiful decor in the end. So easy. Just your little circles and they become a beautiful flower like that. What do you think? I like it. I love it like that.